Hello everyone, MYLLYMAA here. So I tried to make a little bit wider presentation video and where we are going, where we are moving. We are in the August 2026 now, and hopefully most of the special investors have been coming back from holidays. I know in some part of the world the investors or the holiday time is in August, like South Europe, and here in North Europe the holiday time is in July, June, July. So the idea is that I will be telling a little bit where we are right now. Things is moving ahead. Our team is working and checking out different opportunities, and we are looking. I'm looking concentrate full time on find the seed funding. I was signing up on a Hoppo platform, that is investor platform for investors and for projects that need some kind of funding. So they have different. They have seed, pre-seed, A round, B round, and later as well. So it's a very interesting platform because it's created with AI. It's completely done, or is working completely with an AI system. So the investor putting up their what they want, what they're looking for, what they're searching for, and there's loads of questions that need to go through and answering. And the same thing is with us that need funding. So we have also need to go through many questions and many things, and so I done that, and then the AI searching for these from these 50,000 investors that is on that platform to put them together. And I was surprised that I get 1,186 investors that could be interesting to invest in our project. And now we're talking about 3D printing, robotic construction, and these things. And it surprised me a lot. And there was a few one also from Finland. So these, of course, these things create more trust and more happiness for you working with this for years and coming up these kind of results. And I'm very happy for that. Now during the coming week we'll be sending out emails to investors mainly in GCC countries. So there will be some part will be that is startup investors, startup platforms and things like that will be for to startup investment. Other will be project investment for to invest in our construction projects. Because if someone is interested in our construction project that we have in GCC countries, that will also finance our company startup and everything. And most probably the company startup and everything will be financed much before. So the thing is that we're looking for very positive because this positive feedback that over 1,000 companies interested. And the main thing is that the company presentation, because you put in the company presentation all these things, but you don't put in numbers. So there's no numbers. They are based only on the presentation, the company presentation or the project presentation, and from that the AI and the investors calculate the possible ROI numbers and time and everything. So yeah, you need only to put in what you offer. For example, why we have the 1 million euro for 10%, and the offerings was for going to all the companies and AI looking that these companies have the possibility, or they have before gone in with these possibilities. Interesting is that it's also analyzing key investors. If you want to be the key investor, and it was very few that want to be key investors. Key investors is very important because when you have a key investor and that invest, that key investors can bring in lots of more investors, or the key investors have a network with investors that bring in more investors. So key investor is kind of important in that field, and but it was very interesting platform. I've been using it before and checking into it before, but I never got it working very well. So now at least I got it to work, and find out that it's somehow working, and yeah, it's very positive. Working lots of with artificial intelligence, find up lots of investors, investment platforms in other countries as well. I'm still not going to list on any public what do you say, investment platform, Kickstarter or anything like that at this moment. We will look next week and see how things is going, and if I going to any that kind of platform. The team is looking for to start yesterday if possible. The team is eager to start. We are eager to start up as soon as possible. We'll send out our projects for Dubai and to Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and see that if the project could be interesting for this. I find also email structure that I can email this in a much faster and easier way to everyone. I can't do that with my email provider because they will directly see that as spamming if I'm sending out these kind of things in a very fast way. I was very surprised that Hoppa Hoppa platform didn't ask for a business plan to upload the business plan. That should be traditional to upload the business plan. So he's basically asking for executive summary questions, and that's it. But anyway, maybe that coming later on if you get some one to contact and someone that is interesting, that is replying. But yes, this is the situation. We have a team now. We are ready to start directly. We have loads of things going ahead. Mitsubishi Robotics is working on very interesting human robots. They have the possibility that these robots can be used for the construction work and very specific tasks. Before was the problem that the robots can't keep the hand or very steady, or for example take a screwdriver and use the screwdriver. They couldn't do it because the hand could not be established exactly on the right point. So now Mitsubishi Robotics has been coming up with these things that is very specific. The human robots, they have been, according to the press release, they have been working with the startup company organization, and they will be selling 1,000 robots per month, and most of these robots will of course go to their production line and their fabric. Their robots will be building on the car factory, and one line will be using only to build these robots. So this is very big leap ahead, because this is just what we need. Negative side on the robots is that they are not battery powered, and other thing is that the lifting capacity is 5 kilo. So lifting capacity is very low at this moment, and hopefully they can get better motors for the robots, so the lifting capacity can go up to 50 kilo as the competitors have. So but this is anyway to have a mix of robots. Someone do the heavy lifting, someone doing the small work can help to make the construction work many times faster, and for to produce housing. And because we have gone from housing, we was first with the solar panel houses. People that have been following the project have seen that we are first with the solar panel housing that we still have, and we was then to printer a high-rise 3D print a high-rise building, 25 floor luxury building with each flat of 500 square meter luxury flat with their own swimming pool inside, or half of the swimming pool will be inside, a half of the terrace, so it will be like half and half. And then we now is up to robotic build skyscrapers. So for this is also that what we need in Mitsubishi Robotics for to build to be part of this. The skyscraper climbers, the robotic climber, AI climbers will be the one that put in the glasses on, and these pretty much the same tools that they are using for the moon trips that they have, or moon for the construction of the moon, and this looks to be very good, and we hopefully that we getting access to all this fast, so we can starting to build fast. Because when you have a climber that getting up with the windows and install them, if you have, for example, 20 climbers, you do it many times faster than people. So it's the good thing, because in construction the main thing is time. Time is money. So you more time you can save, you more money you will make. But of course there is very important that the security and everything is at top, so everyone following the rules with the security things and all the building norms and things like that. But as usually when robots do the work, usually they have been shown during the time that they do it better than the humans, because robots doesn't go to work with a hangover. They are not going there tired. They don't have bad days or good days. So this is the positive thing with robots, and we need to stay ahead of this and try to get as soon as possible into this world to develop it. And we have a robotic engineer that for sure is calculating minutes for to us to start, and so he can start to do that what he want to do, and to make the to have different robots to integrate them for construction work. And that is our goal, is to have most of the parts of the works done with the robots. So, but we will continue working with the 3D printing construction as well, because that will be very important as well, because robots is good for skyscrapers, high-rise building and things like that. 3D printing is good for example, when you have the GCC countries or central part of the globe that was very hot. I think for these areas 3D printing is very good, because concrete is protecting very good against heat. Glass and iron doing the reverse. So it's I think it's very good. And our underground construction project is even better for the heat, because when you have a commercial shopping mall or commercial center under the ground, it won't be affected directly with the heat from the sunlight. And I think this is very good, especially for GCC countries, because it is creating trust, is creating less cooling cost because it's less hot on the ground, and it's creating huge amount of positive things, and people feel of course safer, especially in today's situation, that if there's underground. So it can be also that people are not aware of the situation outside because they are underground and the sounds doesn't get all the way underground. We are also into high tech, or I at least love high tech. I think most of that are working in our project love high techs. These with pop out screens that is popping out, coming out an arm that say you come here, and for example the hand showing that showing this mouse coming out, showing this mouse, special mouse, for example, press here, and come is for free, take it, and these kind of things that is professional made, not of course like I show you now, but it's professional made, and when you have these professional presentations with these panels, with these screens, it will be creating different way to shopping, and the things the main thing with this is create an illusion, because we can create this illusion at home, we can create it on a shopping mall, we can create it in a supermarket or different shops in a shopping mall. So it's working very basic. It has AI cameras to analyze the people and things the commercial videos is going, and when they see someone or few one that looking into the commercial video, there's something that interesting, then the AI react on that, and then it's showing going personal, that showing you the hand looks like it's coming out because it's a pop-out screen or 3D pop-out screen, and that make it that the people will react, they will see directly, so there will be the ad going to the end, if you say so, or the advertising going to the end, and then it's showing that come in, or it's showing the product, and coming up special price, come in and talk more. So these kind of things will be coming, and also these robotics, human robots. There's a few ones that produce cheap human robots that can talk and that can present things. There's also these restaurant servings, human robots, or it's not human robots but robots. It's like carry that has like tables, and they can also come out with products like offer taster from the restaurant, taste our menu. There's a tapas or a small piece that you can taste, and please, if you like it, come in to us or give us a feedback. Did you like it or not? And the press on the screen or what they like. And the good thing is the robot is that they speak lots of languages, so you won't be needing to speak English. You can speak any language, more or less any language you want. Language skills is going ahead all the time. So this is very good things that anyone can speak directly with them. It's working the same as social media, TikTok and Google. When you're talking with them, they can talk in more or less any language, especially Google, because when I'm talking to Google in English, it's answering me in Spanish. So yeah, I mean, this is some bugs that we need to look into, that in the future that won't be happen with our case, what we are in our robots. So yes, these things is very important, and we are going ahead with the finance and to find investors, and starting as soon as possible. And hopefully people will be interested in join us. We need lots of engineers. We need lots of construction engineer. We need lots of people to work with us. We need secretaries, with administration and things like that. And especially here in Helsinki, Finland. So if you're in Helsinki, Finland, contact us if you're interested to join us. And we need also leaders. So we need also company leaders, company CFO, and things like that, because we'll be having like different companies in the future. Companies will be different. So 3D MYLLYMAA will be the construction part, heavy MYLLYMAA heavy industries, and energy MYLLYMAA will be the SMR part that they're giving the energy and producing, powering what we are construction. So these things is the energy MYLLYMAA giving the power for the construction, and heavy MYLLYMAA will build the infrastructure for the construction, and 3D MYLLYMAA will build a house for the build construction. So this is the way why we have it a little bit different. So there's different interest in each one. So if there's investors, the investors can invest in each part. So or they can invest now, then it will be invested in all parts. So if any questions, please contact me, and I will be answering all the questions as soon as I can. The fastest way is to contact me is by phone, or you can also call me directly on the social media where you see this video, because I have all the apps, so anyone can call me at any time. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we can talk soon. And you're welcome to give me a comment if what you think about these projects and the future for what we are building. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.